So right now she is putting the front wheel on her bike, getting ready for bike check-in. She's got the number on the back, she needs that, and she's got the number on her wrist. She needs that. After bike check-in, she'll be done for all of the official stuff for today. After this, it'll be about food and almond milk, hanging out with Marlise a little bit. That's it. Checking her clock to make sure it works. Making sure her rear wheel is still rolling true and that the brakes work as expected.
Small chain. Gotta be on small chain.
All right.
Now, how do I... Well, look at the other ones. I'm supposed to hook it by the seat. So like that. I've never hooked it by seat.
All right. I'll close it. Don't worry about it.
I'm going to double check, make sure this is nice and tight.
What?
Can you double check and make sure this is nice and tight?
Oh yeah. You want to do the recording while I do that for you? Just hold it towards your bike.
Is it recording now?
Yeah, it sure is.
I think that's tight, but I just want to make sure.
It's not going anywhere.
Pretty pink wheels. And borrowing blue road bike. Putting my clip-ons on, courtesy of Uptown Cycles. Thanks, Robin. You're the best.